What's up everybody? Thanks for coming in today's video. Today we're gonna talk about behind us, all this building. But to get to this point, there was a lot of work that was involved. So let's go take a look and see how I made this happen. Pouring rain today, so I can't do anything, but here you go, I got the big machine now. We got time to get this thing on use and put up the roof tomorrow, hopefully no rain. So yeah. Alright, since we got the machine, we're gonna connect this too, and then we're gonna lift this up and then we're gonna put it all the way to the top. Same to that one. So on the top. That's what we're doing now. Getting that roof out because we need some room to do all this work, so getting that out. Getting creative here. It's too wide now. Alright, we are getting this up all the way to the top. With this big machine I rented, we'll be able to do it. So finally we're doing the top piece. Let's go. Just like that, going up. Let's go! Nobody need to know how hard to put all the bolts was, but finally on. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side now. It literally took like 2-3 hours to get this thing up here. Jesus Christ. Alright, we got the other side on. Now the big heavy duty piece goes up. That was the best part. We're trying to get that thing on right now. To that right there and that right there. That's literally the last beam, and we are finally all set, and then we can put all the roof, wall, and let's get it done. Alright, it's nighttime, but we got this up earlier, and all the beam, all the last piece on the silver one there, and even the top one is up. We got this, finally the heavy duty one up there, bolted down tight, so tomorrow finally we can do some roof. Thank God, can't wait to see it. Let's go. Alright, so that piece, like I said last night, got it on. So if you see the tab, there's this silver piece like that, goes from there to over to that side, and we're gonna be connecting those silver pieces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 each side, look like, and goes this side too. So 14 pieces, 28 pieces total on top. We're gonna go put that thing online now. But other than all the wall up, all this frame finally went up, so no more of that laying down, so that's good. So we're gonna do that, so then we can put the roof soon. So pretty excited. Let's get it done. Alright, these are the metal piece that goes on the right side of the building all the way to the top. So obviously we gotta do that all the way to the end one first and then walk our way back. So hopefully this works out. It's kinda hard. We gotta go all the way over there, so we'll see what we can do. In 3 more to go. Let's go. And well, we gotta do the other side and all that, but at least we're getting very smooth at it. We know what we're doing now, so pretty good. Let's go. We got this side on, so now we're gonna do this side and then go back to on the back and then do this, and then we can put the roof finally. So all the roof now, not roof yet, but we only got that side 3 of them because in the middle all the boats to line up over there is such a pain. Took forever, but we got 3 done. 4 more to go on this side. We still gotta do this side, but that's for another day. Looking like a shop, so pretty excited there. Alright, time for updates. We finished all this side now, all bolted in on the middle. All of them started to put on like this. There's a bracket that goes there on the other side. It's all on pretty much. One more, I have to do one more over there in the middle, and then we're gonna do this side. Gonna finish this long piece in a little bit. I already finished bolting that in the middle, so one more piece to go here, and we're gonna get to the other side. So, and then we can put roof soon. Can't wait. Alright, another update. We got basically everything up here on the roof. So I mean all that whatever that you call pillar, it's all up. This side is almost done. Just 3 more actually, 1, 2, 3. But for some reason they didn't give us enough bolts. As you can see over there, that we used the black one just to line them up for now. So I guess I gotta go buy more bolts and we can finish it. Putting all that way, you know, for this side, and then that side, and then we are finally ready for the roof. Alright, updates on the roof. We got all the middle pieces in on here, that, and then these. So we are getting ready to put some roof now. So looking like a shop. Let's go. Every goddamn time doesn't fucking line up. Such a pain in the ass. As the day, what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be putting anchors there, and that, but we gotta first make sure this is 10 by 10 and squared before I do that and that. And then we're gonna be doing the same thing to that, and we're gonna be washing all these. You can see all the dirt there. I don't want that they're stuck, so we're gonna be washing all that with pressure washers. And finally, beautiful day to put the roof on. As much as I want to put the roof on, I had to get prep all the cardboard. I had to take it out of the box. Now we have the pieces. Almost done with that. Remember, it used to be full of panel here. It's all gone. Just the door, side panel, but that's the roof panel right there. Pretty much unboxed, like all the trash there. Let's throw that away. More cardboard there. More roof piece there, and all these bracket, we put all these here so we know where it is and what. These are the roof panel bracket or whatever. So here separated, both separated. So now time to put these together now. We made us walk away so we can walk. But anyways, got the roof down on this side. We pretty much got the other side down. We got rest of it to do. Got all rest of the roof to take care. But because we made this walkway, we gotta put all the brackets down, which makes it easier. And we gotta clamp, like we have that special tools over there, and then like, I guess we gotta bend that down all the way, which is pretty pain in the ass, but that's what we're doing. Finally, can't believe it, but we are about to be halfway finally, so thank God. And we got another 25 feet more to do, but finally roof is getting up there, halfway. Let's go. Big updates. roof is about to be done finally, so that's great. And one of the day we're gonna put up the walls. It's about to be done with the goddamn shops, so yeah. There was so many roof panel, but as you can see, it's finally emptied and all up there mounted. So last 2 pieces to go. Finally, thank God, time to do the wall soon. But yeah, finally. Alright, next is the lid. We call this a lid piece according to the book. We're gonna put this in the all the way to the middle over there on top. And so finally completely done with the roof. So that's what we're doing next. Finally we finish all the pieces on the roof. Also messed up here, but hopefully it doesn't leak. We got those on pretty tight, sealed. All the roof panel is on, ready for the side panel completely now. So that's what we're doing. Alright, that's it for the video. Thank you everybody for tuning in today's video. If you guys like the content, make sure like, subscribe, and give me a comment. And I'll see you guys on next video.